Okay, it's a very strong and reliable system for you to choose. And talk about the durable and strong of our Finzone 30 frameless folding glass door. I also want to show you more details about how it can be so strong. Why it will be so strong even with such big glass panel? That's because we have two top tracks on the top, and we also have a very big roller on the top. And first, let me show you the top tracks. Okay, actually these top tracks will be totally the same as that one on the big sample. Okay, just different color. Okay, because there will be the two top tracks. Just combine them like this. It will be look like on the top. Okay, and you can see a structure here that when you thank you, Nancy. When you combine them, they will be like this. But this one will be our top track, and this one will be our composition track profile. Why we call it the composition track profile? That's all because many house or building has a construction difference on the horizontal. The construction ceiling may not be so horizontal. So we have this special design for you to adjust the gap between the our top track and the construction ceiling to make up the difference on the horizontal. Okay, and for example, maybe your construct ceiling will be like this, and we use the composition track, maybe they will be like this or like this to adjust the gap between your construction ceiling and our top track. And in this way, you can make sure the top track of our frameless folding glass door will be totally horizontal, because it's very, very, very important for you to install our frameless folding glass door with a totally horizontal top track. Yes, so this composition track profile will be very helpful and useful for you to choose. Okay, and you can also see our top tracks are very big. Okay, and this will be the top tracks part, and now I will also